Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to take your life insurance policy with LNG online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is just simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in legal and general login, and once the search result loads, simply tap on my account login link. That will lead you or redirect you to the LNG login portal, and once you're inside the home page, simply tap on login once again and you'll be redirected once again. Now here what you need to do is enter in your email or password, and once done, simply tap on continue. All you gotta do now is open my policies or my products. You will see a list of LNG products. Simply select a life insurance, over 50s life cover, critical illness, income protection, tap your life insurance policy. Then inside view your policy details, you can now see policy number, policy start date, monthly premium, sum assured, beneficiaries, policy documents, payment history and status. Everything is displayed clearly. In order to download your policy documents, look for documents or download policy, and you can download policy schedule certificate, terms and conditions, payment receipt, beneficiary confirmation. You can also update personal information by simply tapping on the edit button, and you can edit address, contact number, email, direct debit details, which keeps your policy up to date. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.